Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Maglumi IgA CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe, product name Maglumi IgA CLIA. The reference number of this kit is 130258004M. Over here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml ABA label, 26 ml dilute, 1 ml control, 1 ml control 2. Here we can see the manufacturing address. This kit is manufactured from China, so the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see the manufacturing address. Over here we can see the expiry date, lot number, one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit from 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Here we can see we can do under test using this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is the overall view of this product. On this side we can see the product name Maglumi IgA, reference number 130258004M. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe. On this side we can see the brand name Snibe. This is the overall view of this product. I'm going to unpack this for your reference. For unpacking we should open this side. We can see the instruction manual there, and also reagent kit. I'm going to take this one by one. After opening the first product is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe, product name Maglumi IgA CLIA. The reference number of this kit is 130258004M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see intent use, summary, dispensable, reagents, warnings and precautions. So lot of stuff in this manual. And the next one is a reagent seal of total of 3 noses. Next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe. The next one is a control stickers, control 1 for 4 noses and control 2 for 4 noses. Here also we can see that IgA control 1 and IgA control 2, total of 8 noses of stickers. The next one is IgA control, Maglumi controls. This packed in a cover. I'm going to unpack this for your reference. After opening we can see clearly. I'm going to take this one out. Here we can see Maglumi, volume of 1 ml, IgA CLIA, urine control 1. The next one we can see Maglumi, volume of 1 ml, IgA CLIA 2, blood control, control 2. This is the overall controls of this kit. And next one is a Maglumi IgA CLIA. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml ABA label, 26 ml dilute. Here we can do 100 tests using this reaction kit. We can store between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can store away from direct sunlight. This is the overall front view. This is the top view. It is a sealed pack. On the back side we can see the reagents clearly. So this is the overall view of this product. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe Maglumi IgA CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, one reagents, 3 nozzles of reagent seal, 4 nozzles of control 1, 4 nozzles for control 2 stickers, total of 8 nozzles, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, a control 1 and control 2 solutions, both are volume of 1 ml. A reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label, 26 ml dilute. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.